Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Joyce and today's video is to show you my new Kindle, which I got on Amazon Prime Day deals. If you got some deals during Amazon Prime Days, I'd love to hear what you got, so write it down on the comments down below. I decided to get a new Kindle because my old one was a bit damaged. Some of the pixels at the top of my screen were damaged, which limited me to actually read the first 2 or 3 lines from my screen. If you know how to fix this, please let me know in the comments down below so I can get some use out of it. And if you don't have any solution for this, let me know what would you do with one Kindle with this issue. Let me tell you why I decided to get this one. At the beginning, I was more inclined to get the Kindle Paperwhite bundle that came with its charger. But at the end, I went for this bundle because it came with the letter case, wireless charger, and the Paperwhite Kindle, which seemed to me that it was a better deal. liked this unboxing video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time.